Okay, everyone in here either smokes or knows someone that does smoke. And I could probably take it far enough to say that everyone in here knows someone that has cancer or has had cancer related to smoking tobacco. Not a person in this room has not been affected by cancer, and most of us have been affected by cancer because of someone smoking cigarettes. As I'm a non-smoker, and I believe that the increased taxing on cigarettes is a good thing. Such as Linda Loud smoked her first cigarette at the age 12, and she smoked until she was 45 years old. But when she walked into a store and she bought her carton that was usually $34, and it was $44 this time, she walked out. She walked out and has never smoked a cigarette again. Although Linda was probably very frustrated because of the price, the increased taxes on cigarettes possibly saved her life and made her a more healthy person throughout the rest of her life. Everyone that is a non-smoker I believe, should support cigarette taxes because it can deter young smokers from starting smoking and can encourage older people that have been smoking to stop. It also provides funds for health care, and studies also show that there is a 4% decrease in smokers for every 10% increase in cost. Also, 70% of smokers all around America, biggest concern is the cost, which when increased, they stop smoking or slack off a little bit at least. In teens, every 10% increase in cost decreases smokers by 7%. That adds up to 1.5 million kids that would never have started smoking if the increased costs had been that way always. Also, with prices going up on cigarettes, people must start making choices between paying the bills and smoking cigarettes. Most of us will always choose paying the bills, which makes you healthier. Also, with unemployment on the rise and the economy going down, it makes people learn to save their money for other things instead of cigarettes. Also, statistics have shown as soon as you quit smoking cigarettes, it can improve your health immediately, no matter how long you've been smoking. In addition to encouraging smokers to quit, health care for the entire country can be improved. Higher taxes generate revenue, and it helps provide insurance to kids that's never had it before. It also increased funds can offset cost of smoke-related health problems. Not only can the healthcare system be improved, but higher federal cigarette taxes could prevent another generation of smokers. Most new smokers are young and they have low income, which means the higher the cigarettes, the less likely they are to smoke. And the additional funding for the taxes goes to education and public places such as parks. Also, the federal cigarette taxes benefits everyone. Imagine if you could just walk around and never have to worry about walking into a place where everyone's smoking and breathing that air. So many lives could be saved throughout our country. There's also many benefits for the society for higher cigarette taxes. It helps put an incentive for current smokers to quit, provides funding for additional health care resources, serves as a deterrent to potential new smokers. And if you're a non-smoker and you want to get involved in this, then I encourage you to contact your elected officials at the state and federal level, asking them to support higher taxes on cigarette. You can find phone numbers, addresses, and email addresses for elected officials by visiting www.tennessee.gov.